Hi everyone, Archana here. Today I am here with a super cute haul which I purchased from my dear friend Neri. She has a Zibet stores and she sells really beautiful laces and doilies. So before I go through this, I'll show you her Zibet store. You can see on my phone. It's Nerida's treasure and you can see she has so many laces, so many things on sale. And doilies and all, and she always posts on Facebook and Instagram as well, and her prices are amazing and she is a sweetheart. I know her since I started my channel, so I just wanted to shout out about her store, and here is the things I bought it from her. So she sent me some gifts, but these doilies I just wanted to show you, which I have ordered, and you can see she sent small flowers as a gift, and she has all these laces listed on her store. She can custom order as well as per your choice if you send her a message as per your requirements. But you can see all these precious things. It is really a treasure for me, just as her Tibet store name, it's a treasure. So I don't know how to start, from where to start. So let's check. So I have ordered 30 of each styles she had. So I'll check the similar one to show you. So you can see all these beautiful flowers, and they are very nice and treated. I guess they are stiffened, they are not like loose or soft. She just do such a hard work on all these things. You can see she hand cut, she washed, she stiffened this one, she hand cut these, and they are so beautiful. So you can see this one, and then I have ordered these smaller ones. So let me just check the similar one here. So these are super cute flowers. Oh my goodness, you can feel that like stiffness, but they are soft, but she stiffened them, so it's really amazing, and they are ready to use on your project. So these are the smaller flowers I have, doily flowers I have ordered. And then some of them are, seriously, they are vintage, they are handmade and hand crocheted, and you can see these are vintage. These are really beautifully crocheted. And I have these ones. Oh my goodness, they are so amazing. You can see all these doilies, and she always posts about what stock she has, and what styles, and her bundles she sell. Amazing, right? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use them. And then I have in this shade, this is really vintagey shade, you can see, off-white, and they are so good and very nicely crocheted, and the design is amazing. So I have these ones here, and then I have this style too. So I think I got every style what she carried. So you can see, amazing, right? If you do vintage looking projects or any like shabby chic, they are perfect. Oh my goodness, these are my all-time favorite doilies. So you can see, so pretty. And then I have some of these small cutouts. You can making layered cards or layered layouts, like multi-layered. You can use them under those layers. They look so amazing. That's what I'm going to do. They are so cute, you can see, and they have some different ones too, like these ones. They look so amazing on shabby chic cards or layouts. And then these are the big ones. Oh my goodness, Neri, You sent so many beautiful doilies. You can see all these ones. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. And you can see, wow, so this style is here, and then we have another one. This is also super cute. You can see, amazing. I think I just keep this as long as I can. I don't want to cut them or use them on anything. They are just adorable. Just want to save them and cherish them. They're so beautiful. And then she sent me in this bundle all these. Oh my goodness, Neri, you sent me so many different doilies. You can see these heart ones and this one. Amazing. So pretty. Thank you so much, Neri. You just sent me so many of these big ones. I ordered this size, but she just sweet enough to send me these extra ones. And look at these, so amazing. If you can use stiffener and like give this thing a shape, it turn into a bowl, beautiful bowl. They are so pretty, and one is in white and one is in this color. And then I have, oh my goodness, I can feel this thing so good. They are very nicely stiffened. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Oh my goodness, so amazing. They're so beautiful. So look at this shabbiness on my table right now. And then I will move on to beautiful laces. I wanted some small laces, so I asked her for smaller ones, and she sent me these. They are so pretty. I already used this one on my current project, which was Temperia's Passion Wardrobe. So you can see this one. Then we have this one. Beautiful. She treated it very well. Like it's stiffened, nicely stiffened. And this one, it is just like Prima's lace. Very cute. And oh, she sent me these 2 cute flowers too. So cute. And then this one, oh, this is so pretty. And then we have, oh, another 2 ones. So cute. Thank you so much, Neri. All these shabbiness you sent me. You can see this one. This is also like stiff one. So cute. And she always sells some different treasures too, like trinkets or some kind of fabric flowers, paper flowers, and such kind of things. Oh, I love this dusty color, so cute. And I like these ones. This center is really cute, bumpy one, and the color is so cute. It goes with any vintagey project. So thank you so much, Neri. And I have Neri's Zibet stores link in the below description box, so please go check it out and support her. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.